Hello everyone, welcome back to our ethics class. Today we are going to learn three values such as compassion, rule of law and equity versus equality. So let's start. Now think about this small situation. You are walking on the road and you see a small child sitting hungry on the footpath. Empathy makes you feel sad. You may think like poor child and he must be starving. But compassion makes you actually take action, like you buy food and give it to him. So compassion means empathy plus action. It is helping from the heart without expecting anything in return. So compassion is natural. All great religions such as Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, Islam teach that compassion is the highest human value. A compassionate person doesn't help because it is a rule. He helps because he wants to. In here, no pressure, no reward, and it is just a kindness. Now, many people get confused between empathy and compassion. So, let's make it very simple. Empathy means understanding someone's feelings, and compassion means doing something to reduce their suffering. For example, your friend fails an exam and cries. Empathy means you say, I understand how hurtful this must be, and compassion means you sit with them and help them study and motivate them for the next attempt. So friends, empathy is the seed and compassion is the fruit. So one feels and other acts. Now why is compassion is so important for a civil servant? Because government work is not just paperwork. Real people with real problems are waiting for help. Imagine a flood situation. A normal officer waits for the reports and signatures, but a compassionate officer rushes to the affected villages immediately, listens to the people directly, makes sure relief reaches to the weakest first, such as children, elderly, pregnant women, or disabled person. For another example, in a hospital, a compassionate officer makes sure ambulances are available and poor patients get treatment without struggle, not just filling registers. So that is compassion in action inside governance. Now let's move to the rule of law, means the backbone of democracy. Rule of law simply means no one is above the law. Not the prime minister, not ministers and not police or not any powerful person. Everyone is equal in front of law. For example, a traffic police officer catches a minister's car for driving without seatbelt. Even if the minister is powerful, the police should still give the fine. If the officer lets him go because he is important, then law becomes a joke. So rule of law protects fairness and stops misuse of power and builds trust in justice. Now let's understand a very important idea, that is equity and equality. Equality means giving everyone the same thing. But is same always fair? For example, you give the same size bicycle to a 6-year-old child and a 16-year-old teenager. Yes, it is equal, but is it fair? No, the smaller child cannot even reach the pedals. That's where equity comes in. Equity means giving according to need. For example, in India, reservation for SC/ST or OBC groups are equity. They help historically disadvantaged groups to reach the same level of opportunity as others. So remember, equality is about sameness and equity is about fairness. So friends, that's it for today. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.